Then we can write here code as first enter. This code will get open. What I wrote here. That one lesson. Same file array 2. Create next file array3.js. Array3.js. In array3.js, we can see array of object. How we can create one object and how you can keep multiple objects together. So it will call the array of object. First create one object. You can write for user equal to curly bracket open and close. Okay. Under this, you can write for name, some name, email, city, so before colon what we wrote, it's called a property. After colon what we wrote, call a value. Property value, property value. Okay, so now array become one object and it has some properties: name, email, city, and education. And every property have some value. Before colon you have property, after colon you have value. Property, value, property, value, property, and value. Coming down, console.log. Console.log. We can write user.name. Name, user.name. It will give the name of particular user. Next, console.log. User.email. Console.log. User.city. Next, console.log. User.edu. Name, email, city, and education. Save the file, run again. It will give you the details of whichever the property we have printed, all will print here. Again, not a space, your file name, array3, Ganesh, email ID, city, and then education. All values. Now this is one user details. This is one user details. If you want to store multiple user details, then how it will be? We can come in the same file right here. So this become one object. Inside you have property value, property value. Now you are going to create the array of object. A variable user list equal to square bracket open and close. Square bracket open close. Inside that, again curly bracket open and close. Okay, right inside name, property, gives a value. Next property, mobile, give some value. Number we can give without double quotation also, okay. Right. So two value we given, two property we given. One is called name, another one is mobile. Name, mobile, name. Copy the same. Paste here. Name, Mahesh, mobile number. Next again, name call Raj, mobile number, some number. Next call Mohit, mobile number. After this, console.log user list.length. Length how many? Length is 4. So it is counting how many curly bracket you open and close. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now we have to read the individual user and display inside the page. So you have to use again for loop here or map or for each anything. So user list dot map. User list dot map. Info user list dot map. You can write here user, or you can write user my user comma index. My user comma index. Someone have asked yesterday, can I print only index? You can print either index or value, but when you want to receive, the map function will not give only index. It will give both index and value. Okay. It will give you index and value both. Whether you print or not print is your matter, but it will give you both. Only index you can't take here. If you want to take only index, then better than that, run a for loop. No need to use the map function. In case if you want to print here only index 0, 1, 2, 3, then don't use the map function. What to use? For loop. Okay, the map function is not designed, for each is not designed to print 1 to 10. It is designed to read the data from array and display. Now, when you are reading the data from array, you have to use the index for deleting the record, for updating the record, for viewing the record, details of the record. So in that case, index will be helpful. Come down. Now, user. Print here console.log my user. Console.log my user. Next, after that, again console.log check now what is printing. In one line, complete one user details. When you print my user, now this loop how it is going to work. First time loop will start from user list. First user details will go to the my user variable. And console.log it will get printed here. Second loop, second user details will go to the my user. It will get printed here. The third loop, third user details will go to the my user and it will get printed here. So it will not give only name, it will give all the details. See, something like this. You can see name, complete array, complete object is printing here. Say name, mobile, name, mobile, name, mobile, name, complete object is printing. But from here, my user, we need to print name separate, mobile separate. So we can write my user dot name. It will give you the Ganesh, my something. My user dot mobile. It will give the value of mobile. So we'll come here and we'll write here my user dot name, comma, put some dash, print again my user dot mobile. my user dot name, my user dot. Ready? Save now. It will print the name and mobile separate. You can see printing name, mobile of all the users. So this is one object where you have stored the user. User become one object. And this is the multiple object. We store one place, become an array of object. Now when we are reading the data from that array of object, then array.map, individual object will go to my user. And then from my user, object.property, you print, it will give the value. Right? Now this content, what we organized here, this content, it is a just array of object. We can create a nested array. There we can see one user can have multiple mobile number and one user can have maybe one mobile number or multiple mobile number. So how to maintain that? Or maybe some other array using different structure with more informatic, you can create. Save till here. Let's see, running page is listing the names of all users. Next file to create array core.js. Array core.js. Something like this. Console.log nested array. Nested array. Now write here a variable item. Here item. Write the property called category. Groups and product colon array. So in one books category, multiple product. Maybe one is HTML, one is the CSS, one is JS, one is PHP, one is we can also arrange in a new line if it looks complicated. Something like this. Product should be in double quote, that property. Something like this. Okay, ready one. Copy the same. Paste again. Right here. Laptop. And the category name. Dell. HP. Then hello. Hello. Not yet. From January, trainers are still in hometown. Yes. Mostly they will come in the first week only. Race, fits, male, female. So this becomes a array. But array is not simple array. Array having the nested array. Array inside array. You can see product is single dimensional array here. Everywhere. Single dimensional array, single dimensional. Okay, done now. Array is ready. Now come see how we can read the data from this array. So you can first write the console.log, get the length of array, item.length. Item.length. Click now, node space. Array 4, nested array, total how many elements? 3. That is finding the how many flower bracket, curly bracket you have open and close. So total 3 times curly bracket you have open close, total 3 elements. Let's print the category. So item dot map item info comma index return not return console.log console.log item info dot category item info dot category. Before that you can print the index comma Now printing all the categories. All the category name it will print. Book, laptop, and dress. After that, we need to go for the nested math. So category name we printed, but the product is not a single value. It is an array. Product is holding the data in the form of array. Right? So product you cannot print individual. Product should be as an array again. Let's go here. Write the next loop. Next loop. Item info dot product. Product dot map. Item info dot product dot map. Item info dot product dot map. We can write here name of the product and index to variant. Console.log. Name, comma, not name. First you can write call index. After let's write like /t /t after some space /t comma index 2 comma dot again comma name. So what it will print is it will print like /t represent one space, 4 space. Category will come in one line. After 4 space, product index will print 0 dot name, college kids. Second, 1 dot male. Next line, 2 dot female. So that way it will keep printing. Check now again. ls node space array 4. Under the book, this many. Under the laptop, this many. Under the dress, this many. This will appear like this. Okay, this becomes a nested array, array inside array. Please check once. So this output should come in the browser. This all are printing in console. This output should come in the browser. Okay, now we can leave this file. Check working or not. So from the backend, when the data will come, it will come like it's a bulk. From the bulk data, we need to read systematically and display inside the page. Next file we can not create in this folder. Next file we can create under the data binding folder. Okay, see we have covered this. Single dimensional, multi-dimensional, nested function, that map function. Next is for each function is while writing the function, we are writing everywhere. Function we have not created, right? Or created. Function is written anywhere. In example files, we have not gone through anywhere function. We have not gone anywhere through the function. We have not written the function. Yes, function is not written anywhere. Okay, so let us see now next point. This is how many ways we can write the function. Then data binding in the same folder, basic folder only. Write next file. Function1.js. 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 Right inside first method, how to write the function. So console.log function in JavaScript. Okay, function in JavaScript. Function in JavaScript. Now write the first one, function keyword and function name. Then function symbol. Okay, inside this you can write anything. Console.log message function one. This is function one. Now how to call this function? This way. Function calling. Function calling. Now let us check. So function is calling or not. Function calling means it will print the output. So at this place we can go. We can write node space function one. You can see this is function one. It's printing here, and this is function one. Same output here. Now under function, what we can do? So many things. But before that, you can see how many way you can write the function. How many way we can write the function. This is one way. Write one more way. Variable 2 equal to function symbol. So little changes will happen. This is function 2. Now write one more way. The second method. The third method is like this. Variable 3 equal to, this is called fat arrow function. Fat arrow function. Third one. Fat arrow function. Fat arrow function. 1, 2. Okay, return third fat arrow function. Now, so this way we can write the function. How we can call the function? Function 1 you are calling here. Function 2 also you can call in the same way. Function 3 also you can call in the same way. Function 1, function 2, function 3. Let's call this and check once. Printing function 1, function 2 plus fat arrow. This is the three way to write the function. Now inside function what we can do, that is the next task. The second one is called function, anonymous function. Third one is called as a fat arrow function. First one is normal function. Has no any name, it's called a normal function. This is called as a anonymous function, function without name. Anonymous function, and this is called fat arrow function. Okay, ready? Now write next file, function2.js. In that we will see how what we can do of the function. What is the benefit of function? Function2.js. Function2.js to understand what is the benefit of the function. You can write here a function, write a function, give the function name, call one, come inside this function and write console.log the number list. The number list. Console.log the number list. Next, after that, you will write a for loop inside. For loop inside variable I equal to n1. N1 is not defined as of now. I less than equal to or not n1, I equal to a start, if I write a start. I less than equal to end. Then I plus plus. I equal to start, I less than equal to end, I plus plus. I equal to start, I less than equal to end, I plus plus. Next, after that, console.log I. But a start and end, what is the meaning? A start and end, where it is going to come. So this is start and end, we are going to ask from user. After the loop, you can write a line. Console.log the end. Okay. Now, inside this function, you are going to pass the parameters. Start, comma, end. Start, comma, end. So whoever will call the function one, he has to give two values. One is called for a start and second one is for the end. Okay, and then you can reuse this function again and again. Whoever wanted to print a list, he has to give where he want to start and where he want to end. He need to give a start and end. This function will print the list. Come down. Now right here, call the function one, pass inside 1, 5. It will print you only 1 to 5. 1 will go to the start and 5 will go to the end. It will start from 1 and it will print till 5. Same function you can reuse. In case if you want to print again another one, so 7, 15. So it will start from 7 and it will go till 15. Printing. Cell to enter. Start 1 till 5 and till 5. Second, start 7 to 15. So whoever want to list, whoever have a requirement to print a, or whenever you have a requirement to print a list, you will call the function one and give a start and end. So this function will be reused. Whenever you want, you can call this function again and again. List is no matter, anywhere to anywhere it will be. Suppose if you want to print the last 10 years name, so start from 2000, 2002 and go till 2012. So it will print from the start printing from the 2002 and it will print till 2012. So it will give a range. Something like this. 2002 to 12. You want to display somewhere age while selecting the date of birth, date, month, year. You can display this. You can call a function. This function will give you a certain range from date to date. First, we can print the date 1 to 31. Second, we can print 1 to 12 as a month. And then we can print the year, last 20 years. Start from the 2000 and print till 2022. So first day, second month, and next year. Date, month, year. Date 1 to 31, month 1 to 12, and year. The benefit of the function is one function we can use for many times with the different input, different output. Type of output will be similar. Hope it should work for all. Okay, so hope working. Similar way. See, most of the time you will try to use this method. The last one. This is called fat arrow function. Nowadays people use this technique. No technique, people use this method only mostly. In React also you are going to use this method, fat arrow method every time. This method, first one and second one, less in use most of the time, this one. Yes. So come next and write one more function in the same file. Here you can write, okay. Variable 2 equal to here also receive the some input. Suppose n1, n2, and 3 numbers. Then first write variable d equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3. console.log the addition of n1, n2, n3 is b. So now this function again you can use for the multipurpose. Whenever you want to add three number, call this function. Pass the number, function will do the addition and it will give the output. We can call here function 2, pass 10, 20, 30. Pass same function 1, 1, right? Any value. It will give the addition of given numbers. This is the user function. Write once and use many times. Whenever we have a specific type of task required again and again, we can call the function and we can get the output. Okay. See, we print you in the beginning. The addition of 10, 20, 30 is 60. Addition of 111 is 3 and below the number list. So this output will come first. This output will come next. Okay, our next class will be on data binding, combining the HTML and JavaScript together. Okay, so this output will not print always in console. It will go in browser now in the next class. Array 4. Okay, go up in the beginning. Item, category, and then product P capital you have written, right? See, some places P capital, some places P is small. All the places keep P capital, come down. Now run it should go. Array 4. It's saying like array 4 dot map. Okay, go there. Array 4 dot map. What you printed below item dot map. Item info. Line number 17. What is the line? Item dot map. Okay. When beginning again. Here. Item info. Very good. Comma on it. Item dot map. Then you are printing item info dot category. 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 Go in the beginning, the array. Item, where item equal to CATEGORY. Books, property, the array. Then again, length is also not same. Array 4.js 2018. Okay. 2018. Come to the okay. Product P will be small. Okay, thank you. We can log out.